Hello everyone. This video we are going to look for Anna University PhD as well as MS admission for 2025. Okay. So from here it's available for 50% fee concession is available. So which students are eligible for this 50% fee concession as well as whoever can apply and what will be the eligibility and everything we are going to look in this video. Let's see. So the last date to apply for this one 1st November 2025. So this admission for 2026, but for the enrollment will be starting from 2025. If you're looking for online application starts in 13th October. Okay, so the date of closure will be 1st November within 5:30 p.m. itself. Last date to submit your hard copy 8 November 5:30 p.m. So even hard copy submission is also required, and the last date will be 1st November for this one. And what will be the fees you need to pay in order to apply for PhD in a sense? For general category, 1000 plus GST, 18% it's required additionally. Okay, and for Tamil Nadu SC/ST candidate, 600 plus GST. In other state apart from Tamil Nadu, if anybody under this category in a sense SC/ST, you need to pay for this one. So for OBC, these all will come under general category list itself. And what are the department they are recruiting in a sense? They are selecting for the candidate for PhD in a sense for engineering technology, science and humanities, okay, management sciences, and architecture and planning. So these are all the departments they are recruiting, and various streams for engineering as the same thing for science and humanities. Many things is available: English, communication, journalism, media, arts. Okay, so you need to go through it as a full detail. Then you could know what our department under the humanities will be available. And for the management sciences, normally you could know for management for all the streams. Okay, so some of the specializations may not be available, so you need to look at over here which kind of specialization is available for the management. After that you can try to apply. And for the selection criteria, how they are selecting in a sense, they will screen the application as per the eligibility norm first. Okay, everybody coming under the eligibility or not, first they will screen, and after that they will conduct for the written examination. So the written examination, how it will be available, the 25% of research methodology, that is totally 2 papers available. The first paper, research methodology, so 25% of questions are coming, and remaining 70% in your subject area. Suppose if you're choosing for management in a sense, from there 75% of question will be available like that only. Nowadays most of the universities they are conducting this kind of patterns only. Okay, so the duration will be 2 hours duration, and some of the universities they are conducting for 1 hour for online test, but from here they are conducting for the respective center itself, respective department itself. You need to go and you need to attend all those things, and from here they not even mention for online related examination. Okay, so the final selection, how they are taking in a sense, if you're writing for 100 marks for your written examination, they will take it for 70%, and interview they will consider for 30%. Okay, so this is a way they are taking of it. And from the result of written examination, they have put for some cutoffs, that is 5% of relaxation is available. So written test you need to you are taking for 70%. It means they will in that 5% concession will be there, even if you're getting for another disability students score above 40%. Okay, so 5% marks relaxation for SC/ST, and person with a disability score above 40%. Okay, so above 40% should be required, even though if the 5% concession is available. That's the thing they have given over here. And apart from that, whoever not required to write the examination in a sense, if you're having valid GATE score, okay, for engineering student they will write it for GATE. So if you're having for valid GATE score in a sense, you're not required to write it. In other students, for management and humanities, you will write it for net examination, right? If you have for net examination scores, you're eligible to avoid this examination. You're not required to write for this examination. That is what the thing they have given over here. And for the full detail, what you need to do, you need to go for this respective website and get it. So right now we can view for respective website. So you can go for respective Anna University website. Under that, a research option will be there. Just you can click over here, research and development cell. So from here it's available all the detail, and from here it's going for pop-ups also. So what you need to do from the pop-ups for the regulation 2025 amendment, you can go through it. Okay, and after that you can try to apply. Right now we are clicking for admission. Once you're clicking for that pop-up for the admission, it will come all the detail over here for what is the syllabus has been given over here for the written test candidate for PhD. Say for example, right now we can look for the management syllabus will be available at the end. Suppose if you're the student looking for some other streams in a sense, for the respective syllabus you can go through it, and after that you can try to apply for respective PhD. So right now we are looking for the management. So the management syllabus available at the end. Okay, Faculty of Management Sciences, the Master of Business Administration with any specialization. So whatever the specialization, this is what the examination for the second paper is available, and first paper is unique for everyone. So if you're checking these things, these all will be available these all those things will be available if you're going for net examination. Someone is preparing for net examination in a sense, these kind of things will be available. Okay, so that is a thing they have given over here as a full-fledged. Got it? So other person, you can go to syllabus for written test and other things, and other streams for humanities also available as the same thing. If you're going up, you will get it all those things for the syllabus for other candidates. And fellowship details, you need to go through over here, what all the fellowship is available. And industrial candidates, if you're working for industry, you people also can apply from this one. Okay, so that's the thing they have given over here. So if you're clicking from this one, the fellowship detail, from here it's available. What about the fellowship and performance monitoring, everything will be available over here, just you need to go through. And for the PhD regulation, that's very important. Whoever is applying over here, you need to go through it, these things for the regulation things. So once open this respective page, this is what the regulation they have given, duration of the program, number of scholars. Okay, so all the detail will be available over here. What about your educational qualification? Okay, and it depends upon the university, depends upon the professor, the vacancy will be differ. Okay, say for example, if you're taking for Bharathasan University professor, they can take it for 8 student, but for from here in AnnaUniversity 11 candidate they can take it. So it depends upon the university which you're going to apply, so the candidate vacancy level will be differ. So all those things you need to go through it. So respect to mentor, they have enough vacancy or not before you're going to choose for their reference number. That's very, very important. Okay, and from here all the detail will be available, and the guideline for until synopsis, they have given all the detail. And one more thing, general information, and from the beginning we told you the 50% fees concession, right? That 50% fees concession, those who are working for respective department, that is a university department, if they are doing for research in a sense, they have for 50% concession. That's the detail is also provided. Okay, so what you need to do over here, you need to go through it as a full detail, then you will get it for all the detail from this. Okay, suppose if there is any queries available for filling, and from here it's available for help desk. Okay, so this number, if you're making call, they will clarify to you. Okay, from here it's available now. So this is what the helpline number. Suppose if there is any query while you're applying for application, okay, suppose which certificate need to upload, or else someone completed for the final year but you not even get for the certificates. Okay, such kind of cases, what you need to upload over here. So these kind of queries and all through the help desk you can clarify. After that you can try to apply. I think this respective information will be helpful to you. If it is helpful, you can like as well as comment and share to your friends, those who are looking for PhD admission in universities. If you're not a subscriber, you can subscribe this channel and you will get it for all the information related to research as well as net, UGC net management notes. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this. Bye.